Hi, good morning. Today in this video, we will see how can we create and define the different types of expense or departments to track the expense cost in Odoo. So first we will see what is analytic plan. An analytic plan is a way to split expense or income across multiple departments of your business. It's like this cost doesn't belong to just one project or department, it should be shared. Why we need analytic plan? So in real business scenarios, one expense might be shared by multiple departments, one salary might be split across several projects, one shared subscription should be split across multiple cost centers. I give you a real life example. Let's say you have an office rent of 5 lakh and you have an office expense. You want to split it 60% to marketing department and 40% to sales. Then you can define this split once and you can reuse it with the help of analytic plan. So now we will see how to set up analytic plan in Odoo. First go to accounting and then click on configuration. Scroll down, click on analytic plans here. To create a new analytic plan, click on new button, give the name of category here. Let's say the name of category is office expense. Save this category from this button. After that, click on the analytic account. To create a new, click on new. Let's say you are splitting the rent or the expense among two different accounts. First is marketing, and then save this from here. Similarly, create a new one from this button. Give the name here. Let's say second one is sales department. And then save this one also from here. You can go to the analytic plan from here and review your analytic plans. You can see we, the analytic plan you are creating, office expanded. These two are the analytic accounts, which one you are at. Now, in this video, we have seen how to define different categories for expenses. It can be category wise, it can be department wise. In next part, we will see how to define them in analytic distribution and then use them in projects.